Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove password in Windows 11. So the first step you simply need to do is to open the settings of your PC and you need to search your settings. Then you need to open settings. So once you open setting, you simply need to search in here change the sign in requirements. Click here. So once you are on that page, here you can see password. You simply need to click on this arrow and click on change. Here you need to add your current password. Then you need to click on next and make sure that you leave the new password and confirm password empty without adding any character here or number. Click on next and then you need to click on finish. Once you done that, your password will be removed, and after that you not need any password to to basically open your PC. So this is the process how you can remove password in Windows 11. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.